Welcome friends, let us proceed our lesson. As you know, and as you see, this is what we learned before, where we printed one element of our array. Now there is a way of displaying or printing all elements of an array, right? So of course, when you will be able to display just one element, of course you can also able to display all elements of an array, because we just use like this one. It's just copy this one and then paste it. For example, here first of all, let us paste it here, and then we need to change here only our index. Let us start from 0 as we know, and also here we need end line, right? End line. Let us use this one for professionals like this. So let us also copy this and then paste it here like this, and you need to delete this semicolon, right? Yeah, of course also we need to print one for index 1, right? Here let us print here 1, then 2 here is for 2, 3, then 4. As you see, in this case we are printing all elements of our array, right? So let us make compilation and run it to check how will be displayed, right? Yeah, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. You see this one, of course, as you see on our array value at index 3 here, we need to change here. Also here, as you see, we need to change here. Here is index 0, then index 1, index 2, index 3, and index 4, like this. Compilation again, and then run. Yeah, now you see here value at index 0 is 23, as you see here, and also for index 1 is 55, index 2 is 16, for index 3 is 65, and for index 4 is 17, right? So this is way of how you can print all elements of an array by using just cout statement. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please don't hesitate yourself, and please don't forget to keep subscribed, right? And let me see you in next lesson.